Hello students, I hope you all are well and staying at home. I welcome you all in my next video. Today I will discuss about exponent. Now first we introduce about exponent. As you know that if we multiply an integer by itself again and again, it can be written in short form in exponential or power notation. I will take some examples. As here we multiply 4 into 4 into 4. We multiply 4 3 times. So it is equal to 4 raised to power 3. Same second example, minus 3, multiply minus 3, multiply minus 3, multiply minus 3, multiply minus 3. It means we multiply minus 3 5 times. So it will be written as minus 3 raised to power 5. Therefore, a numeral such as 4 raised to power 3 and minus 3 raised to power 5 is called an exponential expression. Here in 4 raised to power 3, 4 is called base and which we say power 3 is the exponent. Now general form. For any rational number a and a positive integer n, we define a raised to power n as a multiply a as n times. It means we multiply a n times, then a ki power n is called nth power of a and it is read as a raised to the power of n. Now some important facts of exponent. First is a negative rational number raised to an even power is positive. Here taking an example, minus 2 by 3. Minus 2 by 3 is a negative rational number and its power is 2. 2 is even power. So its result is positive, that is equal to 4 upon 9. Second, a negative rational number raised to an odd power is negative. Taking an example, minus 2 by 3, here again minus 2 by 3 is a negative rational number, but in this case its power is odd number, that is 3, is equal to minus 8 upon 27. It means result comes in negative form. When the power of minus 1 is any even natural number, the product is always 1. Here minus 1 raised to power even natural number, resultant will be 1. If we take an example, minus 1 raised to power 2, it means minus 1 is multiplied 2 times. Minus 1 multiply minus 1, that is equal to 1. Next is when the power of minus 1 is any odd natural number, the product is always minus 1. Minus 1 raised to power odd natural number is equal to minus 1. Taking an example, if minus 1 raised to power 3, then resultant will be minus 1. If p upon q is any rational number and n is any integer, then p upon q raised to power n is equal to p ki power n upon q ki power n. It means we are giving powers to both numerator and denominator. Now taking some practice questions. As you see here, we express minus 3 upon 7 raised to power 3 as a rational number. So we repeat minus 3 by 7 into 3 times. We multiply minus 3 by 7 into 3 times. The answer is minus 27 upon 343. Taking another example, express 16 upon 81 in power notation. We first find prime factorization of 16 and 81, which you studied in earlier classes. So we get prime factorization of 16 is equal to 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2. Same here, we find prime factorization of 81 and it will be 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. It means 2 and 3 having multiplying 4 times. So we can write it 2 upon 3 raised to power 4. It means we represent 16 upon 81 in 2 upon 3 power 4 in power notation. Now, main important topic of exponent is law of exponents. First law is let a upon b and c upon d be any non-zero rational numbers and let m and n be any integer. Then, first law is a upon b raised to power m multiply a upon b raised to power n is equal to a upon b raised to power m plus n. Here, it will be noticed that both bases are same. It means bases are a upon b in both cases. So, we can say that if there is a case of multiplication, you see both rational numbers are multiplied each other. So, if there is a case of multiplication, power should be added. So, in the resultant case, you see that a upon b raised to power m plus n. If we take example 9 upon 11 raised to power minus 4 into 9 upon 11 raised to power minus 5. You see here that both rational numbers having same base, that is 9 upon 11, and this is the case of multiplication, so power should be adding. So we get 9 upon 11 raised to power minus 4 plus minus 5. Here plus minus minus and bracket is open, so we will get 9 upon 11 raised to power minus 9. This is first law of exponent. Law 2, a upon b power m, its power is again m. It means base is same, base having a power and again it having another power n. Then if base is same, powers are multiplied. So we get a upon b mn. It means m and n multiply each other and we get a upon b raised to power mn. Taking an example, here you see that 3 upon 5 raised to power minus 3 and again its power is 3. Both powers minus 3 and 3 multiply each other and we get 3 upon 5 raised to power minus 9. Now third law, a upon b power m into c upon d power m is equal to a upon b into c upon d raised to power m. Here you see that both bases are different. In first law, we will discuss that if bases are same, then powers are added. But in third law, here you see that both bases are different, but powers are same. Bases are different. It means one having base a upon b and other having base c upon d. So, when bases are different but powers are same, then bases multiply each other and power remains same. Here you see that we get the resultant a upon b multiply c upon d raised to power m. Taking an example, you see here 7 upon 11 raised to power minus 6 multiply minus 11 upon 7 raised to power minus 6. Now, you see that bases are different but powers are same. So, we multiply bases and we get minus 1 by cancelling the bracket and minus 1 raised to power minus 6 is the resultant. Now, law 4. a upon b raised to power m divide a upon b raised to power n is equal to a upon b raised to power m minus n. Here is the case of division. In first law we consider the case of multiplication, but in law 4 this is the case of division. It means both rational number having same base is same a upon b, but powers are different. But this is the case of division, so powers subtract. So we get a upon b raised to power m minus n. We taking the example minus 3 upon 8 raised to power 11 is divided by minus 3 upon 8 raised to power minus 5. You will get both powers subtract each other. So we get the result minus 3 upon 8 raised to power 16. Now law 5. For any non-zero rational number a upon b and a positive integer n. Now we get a upon b raised to power minus n is equal to b upon a raised to power n. You see it clearly that here we just changing the sign of the power by reversing or by reciprocal the rational number. You see here a upon b and in next side resultant will be b upon a, but power change their sign. By taking an example, minus 5 raised to power minus 1 is equal to 1 upon minus 5 is power 1. And you know that every rational number or every integer, if power is 1, it remains the same. That is equal to minus 1 upon 5. Law 6. For any non-zero rational number a upon b, if it having the power 0, then it always becomes 1. It means a upon b raised to power 0 is equal to 1. We taking example minus 5 raised to power 0 is equal to 1. Now taking some practice questions. You see here by what number should 2 upon 3 raised to power minus 2 be multiplied so that the product is 4 upon 27 raised to power minus 1. Let the required number be y, then y is multiplied by 2 upon 3 raised to power minus 2 and we get the result 4 upon 27 raised to power minus 1. In next step, you just only see that we reciprocal 2 upon 3. It will become 3 upon 2 and the power becomes positive 2 or plus 2 is equal to same here in right hand side 27 upon 4 and power becomes 1. Now we open the bracket by solving the power. Y multiply 9 by 4. 3 square is equal to 9 and 2 square is equal to 4. So it becomes 9 upon 4 is equal to 27 upon 4. Now this 9 by 4 shifted other side of equal and it will be reciprocal. So y is equal to 27 upon 4 into 4 upon 9. We cancelling each other and we get y is equal to 3. So 3 is the required number which we want. Now taking scientific notations. A number is said to be in the scientific notation if it is expressed as a product of a number between 1 and 10 and integral power of 10. Now converting large numbers in scientific notation. Here we having a number 426,000. Then if we converted it into scientific notation, it will become 4.2 into 10 ki power 5, because here in left hand side decimal comes after zeros and we shifting the decimal before 2. So it means decimal shifted 5 places. So it will become 4.2 into 10 ki power 5. Same another example is taken. Now we converting very small numbers in scientific notation. As you see here, 0.00005. First of all, we remove the decimal by putting denominator 100,000. It means 5 upon 10 raised to power 5. And this 10 raised to power 5 comes in numerator, the power becomes minus 5. So we will get 5 into 10 raised to power minus 5. I hope you all like the video and keep practicing it. Thanks for watching this video.